Elise Hoson, McCoy De Leon, may malungkot na balita, hiwalay na after 5 years, what we had was real. Tuluyan ng tinuldukan nina Elise Hoson at McCoy De Leon ang kanilang relasyon. Kinumpirma ni Elise Hoson na hiwalay na sila ng tatay ng anak niyang si Feliz na si McCoy De Leon at mutual decision daw ito. July 25, nang ibahagi ni Elise ang open letter sa kanyang Instagram account. At sa loob ng 5 taon nilang pagsasama ni McCoy, kinapitan niya ang kanyang pangarap na iyon. Kalakip niya ng video na tumutugtog ng gitara si McCoy sa awiting, You Are My Sunshine, bilang background music kasama ang mga masasayang araw nila kasama ang anak na si Feliz. Matagal nang haka-haka na hindi na nagkakasundo ang Maclis pero walang nagsasalita sa dalawa, pero ang haka-haka dati ay hirap na si Elise na ipaglaban si McCoy sa pamilya niya dahil hindi raw pabor at isa ito sa dahilan kung bakit lagi silang nagkakaroon ng hindi pagkakaunawaan ng aktor. Sa open letter ni Elise ay inamin niyang sinubukan nila ni McCoy na ayusin ang kanilang hindi pinagkakasundoan pero hindi nagtagumpay kaya tinuldukan na nila ang mahigit 5 taon nilang pagsasama. Narito ang buong post ni Elise. My biggest dream in life has always been to build a family I could call mine. A home. That dream shaped us. It grounded us. And for all the beautiful 5 years, and more, that we were together, we held on to that dream with everything we had. We made that promise, to love, to fight, to stay. And truthfully, we both tried. We both held on for as long as we could. But now, we're learning to let go. Together, we're releasing that dream, so we can finally allow a new kind of peace, growth, and healing to enter. And letting go doesn't mean we failed. Because what we had was real. And it gave us the greatest gift, our Feliz. There are moments when she wraps her arms around us and says, My family belongs to me. And she will always be right. No matter how life changes, we will always belong to her. Her mommy, her daddy, her family. That will never ever change. We're sharing this to honor what was. To give space for healing, for both of us and for the lives we're choosing from here on. No need for speculations, no assumptions. This wasn't easy for either of us. We simply asked for kindness and respect as this story, and how it's remembered, may one day shape what our daughter believes about love, family, and letting go. Thank you for holding space for our story. This is us, stepping into a new chapter with love, respect, and no regrets. McCoy at Elise. Sobrang nakalulungkot ang balitang ito dahil sobrang mahal ng Maclis ang isa't isa pero siguro kailangan muna nilang huminga at sana pagdating ng tamang panahon, sila pa rin sa dulo.